If you're locked out of your iPhone or just want to completely reset it, here's a quick and easy way to do it using iTunes. First, head to your PC. This can be a Mac or a Windows computer. I'm using Windows, so I'll download iTunes from the Microsoft Store, install it, or just open it if you already have it installed. Now plug in your iPhone using a Type C or Lightning cable. If you still know your password, that's good. But if not, I'll show you what to do later. Turn on your PC and you might see a Trust This Computer prompt. Just tap Trust on your PC, click Continue so the computer can connect to your iPhone. After a few seconds, you should see the iPhone icon appear on the top left of iTunes. Go ahead and click that. Now, go to your iPhone and go to Settings, tap your name, then go to Find My, then turn it off. You'll need to enter your Apple ID to confirm the changes. Once that's done, go back to your PC and click Restore iPhone. I'll choose Don't back up, but this part is up to you. Now, if you don't remember your passcode or your phone is locked, here's what you do. Make sure your iPhone is on and connected to your computer with a cable. Press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button for about 40 seconds. The screen will go black. Just keep holding. The Apple logo will appear, but don't let go yet. Keep holding until you see the recovery mode screen. On your computer, you will see a message saying there's a problem with your iPhone. Just click restore, and that's it. Your iPhone will now reset. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.